please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, once said, "The best person is the one who learns the Holy Quran and teaches it." This narration is found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5027. Learning the Holy Quran means that a Muslim should recite it, try their best to understand it, by learning Arabic, or by studying it in the language they understand. Then they should try to act on it. These three things are included in learning the Holy Quran. It is not only reciting it. A Muslim should study the Holy Quran every day, even if it's only one verse. This is much better than reciting a lot of the Holy Quran once in a while. So study it every day, bit by bit. Help others learn the Holy Quran by helping them recite it, understand it, and act on it by advising them. Then you will become the best Muslim.